Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How's your day, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's good to know. Can you tell me where did you go today? Did you
I'm
go?
learning in school.
Oh, you went to learn at school. What subjects did you study at school today?
I'm learn science.
Oh, just science.
Yes.
Okay. So, still you have a lot of free time. Did you eat your dinner already?
No,
Oh, not yet. Are you hungry now?
no.
Okay, so make yourself comfortable, Peter. And yes, we will start our class right away. We have here ordering, and all you have to do is to put the words into the correct order. What is the answer for the first one, Peter?
Um, I am watching the first cooking show.
Okay, yes, very good. What about for the second one?
Why do you like it?
Okay, and for three.
Um, uh,
I. What's the answer for three? It's I don't.
I don't like I don't like watching sport on television.
Okay, that's correct, Peter. Four.
Um, would you what would
What?
you what would you what would you recommend a TV show?
Hmm? When we say what would you recommend, that would be correct, Peter. But if we have TV shows, that will make it incorrect. Okay, so it should be what TV shows would you recommend? Okay, what TV shows would you recommend? What about for five?
Um, what do do you do you watch TV a lot of
Is it do you watch
do
TV
you
a lot
watch
of?
a lot of TV?
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. Six.
Um, I realize the Simpsons.
Okay, yes, very good. That's the title of the movie. Seven.
I don't I don't watch a lot of TV.
And eight.
Um, I don't like watching sitcoms.
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. That is correct. Now let us proceed to exercise 8. And in here, it's your turn to ask me these questions.
Are you watching any good TV show at the moment?
Yes, I am.
Are they on Netflix?
Yes, it is on Netflix.
Um, why do you like them?
Well, I like watching Crash Landing on You because it is romantic and exciting?
Do you watch a lot of TV?
No, I don't watch TV at all, Peter.
I watch TV show. Would you recommend?
Well, I would recommend you to watch Harry Potter, Peter, because it is interesting and exciting. Okay, now let us have exercise 9. So it's your turn to talk about yourself. Can you tell me, Peter, are you watching any good TV shows at the moment?
No.
Oh, no, you are not. Do you watch a lot of TV? Do you watch a lot of TV, Peter?
No.
Oh, no, too. Okay, so
Okay,
please
so
tell me, what TV show would you recommend?
I not recommend not
Oh, well, you can recommend anything, Peter, any TV show, any movie, any film that you think other people should watch. What do you think, or what's your favorite film? What is your favorite film, Peter?
is
Eh?
Harry Potter.
It's Harry Potter.
No, is um a better.
What? What is that,
Ah,
Peter? It's it's Can you give me a title, Peter?
can you?
Okay, let me translate this one for you, Peter, so you can give me accurate answer,
Bạn có
okay?
thể giới thiệu những chương trình truyền hình nào?
Is um
It's
uh, is VTV1 in Việt Nam.
VTV1. What is that, Peter? What can we see in VTV Vietnam?
Uh, mm, uh, uh, it's like news.
Oh, okay. All about news. Okay, so you like watching news, Peter? Do you like watching news?
Normal.
Oh, okay, just normal. Did you watch news today?
Yes.
What news have you heard or have you read, Peter?
I don't understand.
Can you tell me about the news you've heard?
Bạn có thể kể cho tôi nghe về những tin tức bạn vừa nghe được không?
Um, uh, it's football. It's football. Only football.
Oh, all about football, a football team in Vietnam. Okay, thank you so much for that, Peter. Now, since we're done with this one, let us proceed to a review. Okay, so we have here 25. Okay, so it's a review from lessons 21 to 24. Can you still remember all these words, Peter? Can you still
Um,
remember all these words?
Hulu is like Netflix.
What about Amazon Prime Video?
Amazon Prime Video is like YouTube.
Okay, yes. Okay, so well, actually, they're all the same. Peter, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube. But I only know YouTube, so that much. So it is the only app, I believe, Peter, wherein you can upload videos. But in here, you can only watch in Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Netflix. But all of them, they offers original contents wherein you can watch TV shows and movies online. Okay, now what about tablet? What is tablet?
Um, it's like a phone.
Okay, so it is an iPad. Okay, an iPad. What about laptop?
Um, it's like a computer.
Yes, because it is a portable computer. And television?
Um, uh, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know television?
Um, I can't.
You can say
mm,
it in English. Okay,
uh,
so it's
yes.
okay. A television, Peter, or a TV, it is a device wherein you can watch broadcast or streamed programs, of course, in a bigger screen in your home. That is TV. So let us now practice. And in here, I want you to tell me which of the items on the list do you use to watch TV shows and which you do not? Okay, do you watch TV shows using Hulu, Peter?
I don't know.
Okay, let me translate that real quick.
Hãy cho gia sư của bạn biết những vật dụng nào trong danh sách bạn dùng để xem chương trình truyền hình và những vật dụng nào bạn không dùng.
Okay.
Okay.
So now going back, Hulu, Peter.
No.
Okay, so you can say I do not use Hulu to watch TV shows. Okay, what about Amazon Prime Video?
I do not use Amazon Prime Videos.
To watch TV shows. Okay, Netflix.
I do not use Netflix
But
to
do you
watch
have
TV shows.
Netflix? Do you have Netflix, Peter?
No.
Oh no, you don't. Okay, YouTube.
I use YouTube to watch TV shows.
Tablet.
I do not use laptop to watch TV shows.
Okay, that is laptop. What about tablet, Peter? Tablet.
I do not use tablet to watch TV show.
Television.
I use television to watch TV show.
Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much. Let's now proceed to exercise 2. Okay, so reminder, Peter, we have talked about these words already in our previous lessons. So let us see if you can still remember them. First one, moving. What is it, Peter? Moving.
I don't know.
Oh, you've forgotten already. Okay, now let me translate it for you. Moving.
Di chuyển.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell me what it means in English, Peter?
Um, is run and walk.
Oh, okay, so it's moving as in the verb. Okay, but in here, Peter, it is moving, same word, but functions as an adjective. Okay, so it is a describing word. And when we say moving, Peter, it means it is causing or making one feel strong emotions. Again, the best example of this is that while you're watching the film or the video, Peter, you feel what the characters are feeling. If the characters are sad, you will cry. If the characters they are being oppressed, then you will be mad. You will be sad. Okay, that is moving. Okay. Next one, what about hilarious?
Um, uh, is funny.
Yes, it is funny, very funny. It makes you laugh a lot. What about dull?
Um, is I don't know.
Okay, what about boring, Peter? What is
Um,
boring?
ah, then is like boring.
Okay, yes, which means something is not fun. It is not interesting. Okay, they are just the same. Always remember that, Peter. Like, for example, the soccer game was very dull, which means the soccer game was boring. Okay, what about page turner?
Um, is a great book.
Okay, yes, it is indeed a great book, Peter. It is very exciting and it makes you want to keep reading it. Okay, page turner. It's very exciting or interesting that it makes you want to keep reading it. Okay, what about fantastic?
Is good.
Okay, not just good, it's very good, Peter. It's excellent. Okay, very amazing, very enjoyable. That's fantastic. Like Italy is a fantastic destination for foodies, which means if you love to eat food, Peter, you should go to Italy. Okay, next one, terrible.
Is very bad.
Okay, yes, that's correct. It's really unpleasant and serious. Okay, what about gripping?
Uh, is good.
Okay, it is good. It is. What else can you say about gripping? What
I
else can
don't know.
you say? It's just good. Okay. Now, when we say gripping, Peter, yes, it means that something is good. It is interesting, it is exciting, and it is keeping one's attention. Okay, it is holding your attention, Peter. Now, what about predictable? Predictable.
Um, predictable is I don't know.
I'll translate it and I want you to tell me the meaning in English. Predictable.
Dễ đoán.
Okay.
What is it?
It's easy to do.
It's easy to do, easy to guess. It's easy
Uh,
to guess, Peter, because it is happening in a way that you expected.
Xảy ra theo cách mà người ta mong đợi.
Okay?
okay.
That is predictable. You know what will happen next. Okay? So now let us practice again and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay, so when we say moving, is it positive or negative?
It's positive.
Yes, very good. Hilarious.
It's positive.
Yes, that's right. Dull.
Negative.
Very good. Page turner.
It's positive.
Very good, Peter. Fantastic.
Positive.
Okay, yes, it is. Terrible.
Negative.
Gripping.
It's positive.
And predictable.
Positive.
Okay, predictable could be positive, Peter, and it could be negative too. It depends on the situations. Okay, now let us have this one. What is romance again?
It's love.
Okay, it's about love and relationship. What about horror?
It's scary.
Scary movie. Okay, it's a scary movie. It's scary. It's frightening. What about I'm a big fan of? What does it mean?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Let me see.
Tôi là một người hâm mộ cuồng nhiệt của.
Okay. Okay.
Can you say it in English, Peter?
Um, I can say it in English.
Okay, that's fine, Peter. Now, when we say I'm a big fan of, it means you really like or admire something or someone. Okay. Are you a big fan of someone? Maybe Master D. Do you know Master D?
Yes.
Oh, are you a fan of Master D?
No.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, that is fine, Peter. Now, what about can't stand? Can't stand.
I don't know too.
Okay,
Okay.
wait.
Không thể chịu đựng được.
What is it?
It's very bad.
Okay, it's very bad. Okay, wait, let me translate it. Can't stand means you strongly dislike something or someone.
Okay.
Wait, it's not done yet, Peter.
Can't stand có nghĩa là bạn cực kỳ không thích điều gì đó hoặc ai đó.
Okay, that is can't stand. When we're talking about music, you can say, I can't stand rock music, which means you really don't like rock music because it's really loud. Okay, now what about I'm crazy about?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Okay, can you tell me now?
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know. I can say it in English.
Okay, wait. I'm crazy about means you're very enthusiastic. Wait, Peter. I'm crazy about means you really like something a lot.
I'm crazy about có nghĩa là bạn thực sự rất thích một thứ gì đó.
Okay, that is what it means. Okay, so you really like something, you really love something or someone. Okay, now the 1920s, the future, and another world. So let us practice. Tell me which category each word or phrase belongs in. Now, when we say romance, Peter, does it belong to romantic or scary?
Is romantic,
Okay, horror.
scary,
Very good. I'm a big fan of.
like,
Can't stand.
dislike,
I'm crazy about.
like,
Very good. The 1920s.
time,
The future.
time,
Another world.
place.
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. And that ends our class. So thank you so much. You can eat now, Peter. See you again next time. Goodbye, Peter.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Peter.